Tramcars were first introduced in Jamaica in 1896, when the Jamaica Streetcar Company started its horsecar system in Kingston. The route went from as far as Raytown on the east, Maypen Cemetery on the west, and Constant Spring some 6 miles north of the city. The tramcars were ordered from John Stevenson Company in New York. The cars took people to work, children to and from their schools, and on outings to places like Hope Botanical Gardens and the Rockfort Garden. Most of Kingston was covered by a network of tramcars. In 1897, the West India Electric Company, which was registered in Canada, bought the horse tramway and began the process of electrifying their operation. In 1899, Kingston's first electric line, which ran from the tram depot on Orange Street to the foot of King Street, was put into place. In 1923, there was a new owner, a Canadian organization called the Jamaica Public Service Company, which also provided all electric utilities on the island. Tram service existed for 44 years until March 5, 1948. Then, the public realized that service would be closed down when 3 old passenger cars were towed to the railway station and a 4th one was towed the next day. This led frequent users of the tram service in Kingston and St. to conclude that the government simply left them to fend for themselves at the mercy of an inadequate bus service system. The tram lines were eventually covered with asphalt to make way for motorized vehicles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.